Okay, good morning, Team Alpha. Today we gather again for another daily stand-up meeting. So let's just highlight our accomplishments in the first sprint and close and discuss our current positions, specifically noting how we've updated our progress in the Jira and where we're at right now. This will help keep our project transparent and accessible. So let's start off with Brian. Brian, what have you completed so far? Where are you at in the project?
Since Sprint 1 ended, I've made significant improvements to the scheduling system, enhancing its user friendliness based on our feedback. I updated the related task and logged my work into Jira, so you can see the specific changes and updates there. I also began groundwork on integrating mental health resources, ensuring easy access, and documented these initial steps in Jira for transparency and collaboration.
Okay, yeah, great. That's excellent, Brian. Keep up the work and especially with the Jira, keep that updated. That'll help us to keep on track with the project and know where we are. It'll also, help to keep just old stuff out and ensure that we're at the current state of the project. Next, let's go to Yukin. Your turn. How are you faring with the project?
Well, good morning, everyone. I finished updating and refining some of the user stories, well, all of the user stories for Sprint 2. I took the initiative to focus more on the features for the next sprint. After analyzing Sprint's 1 feedback, I made some key improvement in the areas which we struggled with and updated our Jira project with new tickets for these insights. This process helped me organize our priorities and next steps within Jira, which will make it easier for the team as we go forward.
Okay, perfect. I think that's great. Your thoroughness with the Jira, it helps us in guiding our sprint plan, and that'll be very useful for the project in the long run. Thiago, how are your updates?
Good morning, all. I expanded the feedback, engaged with diverse campus groups, and I recorded all the feedback on the Jira. We have a valuable repository, all kinds of insights, and we can work on them, including the initial reactions to our plan for the mental health resources. Is also updated on Jira, ensuring the team is aware of can easily access the information.
Okay, thank you, Thiago. That's great. So using Jira to track the feedback ensures that nothing gets lost, and that's great. I'm happy that all of you are keeping that updated. On my end, I've been monitoring our Sprint 2 timeline. I got started with that and the overall progress, and I've taken the time to just update our project documentation in general. This will keep stuff organized and keep the Jira project and our documentation in line to the current state that it is. This will also help navigating our tasks and priorities just more smoother for everyone. And with that, just before we wrap up, is there any other concerns, any other areas where anyone needs support or anything of the like?
No.
Nothing? Okay, well, that's great. It seems that we're in good shape. So I'd like to thank everyone for being diligent and updating the project. And especially with the tasks that you have at hand, it seems that everyone is working at a good pace. So that's great. I'm happy that the work is going along to what we have set it as. And I look forward to when we start the next sprint. So I'm here to support everyone in any way that I can. And I hope you all have a productive rest of the day. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next stand-up meeting. Bye,
See
guys.
Thank
you.
you very much.